Hey everyone, today I'm really excited because I ordered new lights and they get delivered today. I ordered an FJ400 2-light backpack kit and... Oh! Don't get it, I'll get it! 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 Oh yeah! So like I was saying, I ordered an FJ400 kit from Westcott, and if you're not familiar with those, they're a battery-powered strobe light. For a long time, I've been using these, the Calumet Travel Light 750s, and these are great lights. They served me well, and they still work, so they probably will continue to serve me well. So the decision to upgrade wasn't because I didn't have good lights, and it wasn't because I needed the latest and greatest. It came down to partly convenience and partly special features that the lights have that'll help me and my wife in our work. And there were quite a few lights to choose from, but I took my time, I compared features, I even made a spreadsheet. If you're interested in all the features and factors that went into our decision to go with Westcott, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video about that. But this video is all about the decision I did make, and I wanted to show you guys what all comes in this kit. So, let's open it up. Okay, so this kit comes built into a backpack for traveling with your lights. Let's get it out of the bag. Okay. Oh, looks like we got some freebies too. We got, let's see, a Westcott. What is this? Oh, looks like a microfiber cloth. Okay, that rolls up and that's nice. And what's this? Little keychain. What does this say? Let's get it out of the bag. An Ice Light 2. What is an Ice Light 2 on a keychain? Oh, it's a little LED wand. Awesome. Thanks, Westcott. Free stuff. Okay, let's move the box. Okay, I'll bring this back. Let's get it out of the bag here. Take a look at what we got. So this is the kit that I got, the FJ400 2-light backpack kit. We'll take a look at the bag first real quick. We got this nice Westcott logo in there, but it's not too like in your face. I like how it's really subtle. That's a nice little touch. Looks like we got a storage pocket here on the front. We can put things in there. Got some loops here for probably accessories. Some big loops on the side, probably for like light stands. Let's take a look on the side here. Another little storage pouch. You can put little accessories in. Looks like that's removable, not removable, but I don't know why that would flap down. Other side, I got a little pocket here, water bottle, light stand, tripod, something can fit in there. On the top, nice sturdy handle for carrying it by hand, that's great. This is nice, this is a really nice bag. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, now it opens from the back. That's one thing I like about travel bags. Okay, let's open this guy up. Just to get this out of the way, we've got this lid here. So we got this nice pocket up here. You fit stuff in there, stops at about there. Okay, another storage pocket here, but it's clear. What comes in here, looks like we've got a USB charging cord, a little flyer from Westcott telling us about more products of theirs, FJ400 quick start guide. And then we got these two boxes here. They come with some basic color correction filters. So you can see there's a kind of a greenish filter, looks like an orange one, slightly less orange. Oh, looks like a diffusion panel. This one is empty. This one's actually really cool. Let me show you that here in a second. Let me set these down aside. And it looks like we get 2 sets. That's really cool. I'm gonna leave this one in here. I'll leave the other ones out so we can talk about those in a second. Okay, that's it for the lid. Let's get into the bag. This looks really, really cool. I'm excited. First of all, I love how this whole 2-light kit fits into a backpack. One of the issues I had with the Calumet lights, their bag was really large and bulky and heavy. I did have a 3-light kit and a bunch of accessories, but like I said, one of the choices of going to these lights was convenience. Maybe we'll start at the top and work our way down. Up here, let's not hear that sound. This looks like an adapter. Over here we have power cord. Yes, power cord. So this is what charges the lights. Also, you can hardline the lights as well. So you can use the battery on here, or you can plug them in and use them while they're charging. That's one of the great features of this FJ400 is you can use the lights while it's charging. Some lights, it disconnects the power to the light if you're charging it, but you can plug this directly into the battery and have the battery attached to the light. And while it's charging, you can still use the light, which is really, really cool. Okay, so it looks like we got 2 of those. So next down, we have a head. Let's take a look at the head. That's what we all want to see, right? This bag out. Okay. Look at that. That looks nice. Everything looks really clean and really nice on here. Oh, there's a USB-C plug over here. I wonder if that is what these 2 cords were for. Oh, maybe this is like for updating the firmware of the light, right? So you plug that in there, plug this into your computer, and then update your firmware. That's really nice. Basic features on the outside, right? So you have this switch here. This will unmount this basic reflector. And to unmount that, to change your light modifier, you hold this down, twist it to the right, and then lift it out carefully. We have this nice glass cover around the flash tube to protect that. That's a nice feature. The modeling light in here is really nice, if you guys can see that. But in there, you have an LED modeling light. I'm really excited about that. My old lights, let me grab this again. This is my old lights, the old Calumets. I don't know if I'm still in focus. Let me lower this as much as I can. But this is the modeling light. It's this big light bulb. Always bumped that into things, and they were always burning out because I bumped them into things because they stick so far out of the light, and it caused a lot of problems. And they're expensive too. So having this LED light, I was really excited about that feature. Also, the old bulbs got really, really hot. So I'm excited about this new LED feature not getting too hot. Okay, let me put this back on. Let's keep it protected for now. And then put a light modifier on. You just do the same thing, just twist in the reverse direction until you hear it click, and then it's on there and it's secure. Here we have where it's mounted. We have this nice sturdy looking handle that loosens it up. I believe you can, if you lift and twist, yeah, that'll allow you to turn the handle if it's ever in a weird position, like up against the body, like here, and you have a hard time grabbing it to loosen it or whatever. You can pull and twist and it won't loosen the tightening ring. It just readjusts it so you can get a better handle on it. This is a nice feature. And it looks like, I don't know, just the curve of this right here almost looks like, and this little part back here almost looks like it's ergonomically created for hand holding, right? I guess if you put it in that hand, that feels like a nice grip to hand hold the light. Let's take a look at the battery. So it looks like we got 2 batteries here, one for each light. Pull this out, and a little Ziploc here. Let's get rid of that. This is nice. Now if we take a look at the light back here, we got these 4 pegs that'll slide into these 4 keyhole slots. That's nice. So this is where the power will connect down here. We have a little plug down here. This is where you plug in the power to charge it. Okay, and then on the back we have a little check light here. See how much power is in the battery. Oh, looks like it comes with a little bit of power. That's nice. Right, 2 bars. And then up top here, this is what you'll use to release it from the light. So That just goes on here, right? And then you slide it down till it clicks. Okay, and then we have a light. If you're interested in learning how these lights work, let me know in the comments below. I'll make a video for that as well. Here is the remote. Let's put it this way. So this is the FJ400 wireless trigger. One of the features that really sold me for the Westcott lights was they make a universal trigger. Okay, a lot of lights, they have a trigger for Canon or a trigger for Nikon. Westcott's is universal. Now it's not completely universal. One thing it's not compatible with is the Sony system, but they do make an adapter you can purchase that you attach to this one, and then it'll work for Sony, which is really nice. You don't have to buy an entirely different remote for it to work with Sony. You just buy the same remote that everybody else is using. You just get a little adapter for your Sony camera. But for all the other brands, Olympus, Canon, Nikon, this remote works for you. Let's open this up. Okay, looks like we got a little FJ400 quick start guide. We got another USB-C cable. This will probably charge the remote. And here is the remote. Okay, looks like we got a power button here, menu, test, some other buttons up here, charging. So this is where the USB cable will go. Looks like there's a PC socket here, so you can do a PC sync for if you have lights like that. Another nice thing about this remote, not AA, this is a rechargeable battery built inside, which is nice. Little dial here. Let's go back to what I found in the cover. Filters, right? This is one feature I really liked. This was really cool. They have these little filters on here, and they sell other filters, like colored filters, like a solid red, like a royal blue, that kind of thing. So you can buy these other ones. These are color correction ones and a diffusion one. But one feature I really liked about these is on the reflector of this light, there are these 4 little magnets. So all you got to do is place this on there, okay, and it just magnetizes to the front there. And one of the cool features about this little magnet, if you remember when I went through them, it came with this empty one, right? There's nothing in it. This is nice if you have your own gels. You don't have to like tape it or cut it or anything to size. Let me see, I've got some gels over here, right? So if you have your own gels, got these from Neewer, you can just take these gels and all you got to do is hold it over it, just like that. And then you use this empty one to initialize the magnet. Okay, so now I got a gel for my light. It's really big. These are for my LED panels, but now I can use them for my Westcott strobes. And I don't have to cut it down, or I don't have to tape it to the thing. This is just really nice. It's got this magnetic ring. If you get the Roscoe gels or the Lee filters, you can get those and just put those up, magnet it, you're ready to go. All in all, I'm really excited with the quality of this kit. I'm really excited to start using it. I'll put a link to this kit in the description below so you can check that out. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.